Aloha, I'm Andy and I will make a short review for this 16GB ADATA USB 3.0 flash drive. The package is the usual paper and plastic blister package. This is the older version from the UV150 family, has only USB 3.0 interface. This older model came with a lifetime warranty. The warranty changed starting from January 1, 2019. The warranty period for the UV150 is changed to 5 years. For UV150s purchased before, inclusive, December 31, 2018, the warranty period remains unchanged. The UV150 family has 4 different capacity USB flash drives, the 16GB, 32GB, 64GB and the biggest the 128GB USB drive. They came in 2 colors, in black with red and red with white colors. The USB drive dimensions are about length 58mm, width 18mm, height 10mm with removable snap-on cap and weight about 9 grams. The interface is USB 3.0 and is backward compatible with USB 2.0. Unfortunately, the speed performance has been left blank. In my next video I will make a synthetic and a real-life benchmark for this USB drive. The USB drive is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 8.1, 10, macOS 9.x and Linux and kernel 2.4 or higher, with no device driver needed. Personally, I tested only on Windows 7x64 operating system. The actual available capacity for data storage is less than what is listed on the products because they calculate with 1000 instead of 1024. The actual available capacity for data storage is 14783 MB or 14.40 GB. On the package backside is a QR code and it can be registered on the ADATA homepage and download a free software. The USB drive product code is AUV150-16G-RBK. The EAN code is 47134357977068 and is made in Taiwan. The body is made from a shiny good quality plastic, the snap-on cap is pretty tight, you won't lose easily. Has a broad lanyard slot at the base of the drive, allows for use with a wider range of carrying straps or on keychain. With the chip Genius you can get a little bit more information about the USB drive. And now let's see the negative side for this USB drive. Has no activity LED, so it won't be blinking any LED when it is in use. The most annoying about this USB drive, it is too thick. It can be used only above in the PC motherboard, it doesn't fit 2 USB drives side by side. That's it. I hope I covered everything except the USB drive speed test, but if I missed something please write in the comment section. I will do the benchmark in my next video for this USB drive. If you don't like it please leave a comment what you don't like it and in the future I will try to do better. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe.